The Camping Trip by Jennifer K. Mann. My Aunt Jackie invited me to go camping with her and my cousin Samantha this weekend, and my dad said yes. I've never been camping before, but I know I will love it. I got a sleeping bag and a new flashlight, and Dad and I made some trail mix just for camping. Aunt Jackie sent a list of things to pack: hat, sneakers, water bottle, flashlight, backpack, pajamas, towel, camera, socks, bandages, swimsuit, underwear, sleeping bag, pillow, sunblock, sunglasses, Foxy, t-shirt, swim mask, whistle, sweatshirt, trail mix. I'm not sure it's all going to fit. I'm ready. Then I wait and wait. Finally, they're here. Hi, Aunt Jackie. Hi, Samantha. Hello, Ernestine. Bye, Dad. Love you, E. I hope Dad doesn't miss me too much. It's a long drive to Cedar Tree Campground. We look at comic books, we play cat's cradle, we stare out the window, we sing along with the radio. Finally, we're here. It's so quiet and big. It smells like trees and fire and dirt. You need a lot of stuff to go camping, so it takes a long time to unpack. Samantha and I decide to set up the tent. I build forts all the time at home, so this should be easy. It's not one bit easy. I'm sweating. Me too. Let's swim. Okay. I love swimming at the Y. I can touch the bottom of the pool. There are fish in here. Don't worry, Ernestine. The fish won't bite you, promise. That's okay. I'll just watch you swim. When Samantha is finally done swimming, we eat lunch. Let's go on a hike. I love to hike. My dad says hiking is just walking, but in nature instead of in the city, and I walk to school every day. Here's what I need to go hiking: backpack, hat, sunglasses, whistle, camera, water bottle, sunblock, granola bar, trail mix, apple, raisins, leftover chips, cheese sticks, peanut butter crackers, cookies, bandages, Foxy. There are a lot more hills here than on my way to school. My feet are tired already. Maybe I brought too much stuff. I think I need a water break. When we finally stop, I eat a lot so my backpack will be lighter on the way back. This is the biggest tree ever. It's huge. Don't slip. I won't. It's a banana slug. There is so much to explore. It's way easier to hike downhill. When we get back to the campsite, Samantha and I set up the campfire. What's for dinner? Tofu, hot dogs, and broccoli salad, my favorites. Tofu hot dogs are not my favorite, but I'm really hungry. This broccoli salad is good. Wait till you try s'mores. They're scrumptious. This is what you need for s'mores: marshmallow, graham crackers, chocolate, a marshmallow roasting fork. First, you roast your marshmallows over a campfire. Mine is perfect. Mine's on fire. Then you make a sandwich. Graham cracker, marshmallow, chocolate, graham cracker. And then you eat it. S'mores are scrumptious. Before we know it, night is all around us. I crawl into my sleeping bag and we read with light from Aunt Jackie's lantern until she says it's time to sleep. Good night, girls. Good night. Good night, Mom. Good night, Ernestine. 2 seconds later, Aunt Jackie and Samantha are snoring, but I can't sleep. I'm boiling. I need to get my socks off. Where's my water bottle? Where is Foxy? I'm freezing. Is anyone else awake? Is Dad awake? Aunt Jackie, can I call my dad? Aunt Jackie lets me use her phone, but there is no reception. I want to go home. Let's go look at the stars. It's really dark. Don't be scared, Ernestine. Look, a shooting star. Wow. Make a wish, girls. Yawn. I think I'm ready to go to sleep now, Aunt Jackie. When I wake up in the morning, the tent is warm and bright. Aunt Jackie and Samantha are already eating breakfast. These are the best pancakes ever. Want to swim? Last chance. Okay. We can hold hands and jump in together. That should scare away the fish. 1, 2, 3, jump! We swim and swim and swim. The fish don't bite me once. Race you. Okay. Time to pack up, girls. Packing up is even harder than unpacking. When we finally get our stuff in the car, it takes all 3 of us to close the back. Goodbye, Cedar Tree Campground. I can't wait to come back next year. Me too. It's a long drive back home. We stare out the window. We eat the rest of the trail mix. We sleep. We stare out the window some more. Hi, Dad. Bye, Samantha. Thank you, Aunt Jackie. I had the best time. Maybe we can have a sleepover next weekend. I think Dad missed me. Dad, have you ever tried s'mores?